I'm a bit nervous. It's gonna be a lot of leaves, but it just needs to be done. Assalamualaikum and hi, welcome back to my channel. A few months ago, I decided to do a bit of a change to my Ficus lyrata tree. So I posted this in a video of mine where I chopped off or I pruned up the upper part of this Ficus lyrata tree, and it then showed new branching. So what I intended to do is that I wanted to look more like a tree with branches. So now after a few months, you can see that the branches have grown, and it's now in a stage where I'll start doing some grooming. So what I want to do is that I'm going to get rid of the lower parts of this tree. So 2/3 of it is going to be looking like a trunk. So there's no leaves, and then all the branches will be starting up like about this level and upwards. So I'm hoping that after a few months it's gonna reach up to the ceiling, and that's gonna be beautiful. So in this video I'll be showing you the techniques of removing these parts, and we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. Alright, for this purpose you'll be needing the tool, very sharp shear scissors, and then some towels. So this paper towel would be useful whenever you cut the leaves. There will be that white liquid going out, so this will be handy. So now let's start. Okay, now you ready? So I'm a bit nervous. It's gonna be a lot of leaves, but it just needs to be done. I'm gonna unlock this. I'll just get some paper towel to get ready to remove all the liquids if it happens to come out. So first leaf, just make sure that you cut as close to the trunk or the stem itself. Okay, that's one. So you can see that there's a lot of the white sap coming out. This is just normal. It's part of the nature of the plants itself. So what will happen is that eventually all this will, you wouldn't see, it's gonna shrink, and then you wouldn't be able to see like these parts. So it's gonna be okay. So hopefully when we remove all this, the nutrients are going to be concentrated to the branches, and that will help it to grow a bit more faster and makes it a bit more longer. Okay, that's the end of the process. Now it looks good, and you can see that it's now like a tree, and well, the branches are not that long at the moment. So hopefully now, once all the leaves have been removed, all the nutrients will be gathered and concentrated for these branches, and hopefully it's going to grow a bit bushier, and hopefully it's going to be growing high up to the ceiling, and that would be tremendous. So I'll see you in the next video. And for those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and then tell me what you think, and we'll see you in the next video. I'll see you. Bye.